Marketing is changing faster than ever, and AI is leading that shift. From ChatGPT to AI driven ads, the marketers of tomorrow need a completely different skill set.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Kodiapa. I hope you guys are doing good. Today I am reviewing a really interesting program that's designed exactly for this future.
Bitsom's Digital Marketing in the AI Era program, in collaboration with Masai, India's fastest growing career school. This program is a 6-month online certificate course designed to prepare you for the future. And yes, it comes with a certificate from Bitsom, the business school from the house of Bits Pilani. The reality by 2026, 80% of marketing tasks will be AI assisted. LinkedIn reports that AI fluent marketers already earn 40 to 50% more, and India's digital ad market is booming, growing 29% year on year, worth over 40,000 crore. So, whether you are a student, a freelancer, or someone switching careers from sales, support, or even non tech, the demand for AI native marketers is only going up.
So, what do you get in this program?
This program runs for 6 months, fully online, with live classes on weekends. The curriculum is designed for 2025, not 2015. That means prompt engineering with ChatGPT to automate content, running Meta ads and Google ads with proper funnel tracking, mastering Canva, SEMrush, GA4 for performance marketing, learning to build WhatsApp campaigns, sort strategy, and UGC loops.
And it's not just theory. You work on 6 plus industry projects and one final campaign that goes straight into your portfolio.
At the end, you graduate with a certificate from Bitsom, BITS Pilani Management School, guided by Ivy League faculty.
What I like about this program is that it's portfolio first.
Recruiters today don't just want certificates, they want proof that you can execute campaigns. And that's exactly what you will have: real projects, campaign data, ROI tracking, and tool fluency. Another big plus, you don't need a marketing background. In fact, McKinsey found that 60% of marketers hired last year came from non marketing backgrounds. So, if you are switching careers, this could be the structured path you need.
Now let's talk career ROI.
According to Naukri, entry level digital marketing roles in India starts from 10 to 18 LPA. This program costs less than most MBAs. It can be paid via EMI, and it starts with just a rupees 99 qualifier test. So, if you are serious about building a career in AI driven marketing, not just learning SEO hacks, this is worth checking out. The qualifier test is happening this Sunday, and there is a qualifier test every Sunday till the batch starts. If you are interested, the link is in the description. Check it out. Register and see if this is the right step for your career.
Marketing doesn't care about your background or your PIN code or whether you have studied business before. What matters is execution and strategy.
And that's what BizSom program focuses on. If you want to future proof your skills with AI and digital marketing, this could be the right program for you.
So that's it guys for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you are interested in the program, the qualifier test is happening this Sunday and every Sunday till the batch starts. The link is in the description, so check it out. And as always, if you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.